Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Minio and configure on Debian version 11.3. Minio is an co-based open source object storage that performs at a higher rate. The primitive purpose of Minio is to store unstructured data and is designed to be a minimal and scalable and also compatible with Amazon S3 and best suited for the evaluation. First I will check the OS version. I am used to Debian version 11. Next I will update the system. Next I will install the Minio server using wget command. Next long listing the downloading files. Next execution permission for the Minio file. Again long listing and to view the permissions. The Minio file can be execute permission can be applied. Next installing the Minio. Then using the IP address and dynamic port. Then go to browser and browse the IP address. Now I am access the Minio login page. Username Minio admin. Password Minio admin. This is the Minio admin console page. With this Minio installation on Debian version 11.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.